Hi, I know you guys have been asking for an update. I apologize. I've been working on some of the smaller problems, dealing with a lot of the BMS issues, a lot of the wiring, hell of a lot of wiring. Anyway, this is a super quick video just to show where we are because I got to take all this apart to build a better motor mount. So I'm going to show you right now. It's working completely perfectly, just made of wood. All right, here we go. I'm going to start it up. Yeah, you'll hear a click and then another click and then it'll run. All right, so I put a rod here that I taped, just taped. Here we go. Two-wheel drive. All I'm using is just the weight of the rod against the stock accelerator pedal. And I'm using an internal miles per hour, so it's going about 17 miles per hour. Let's get it up to 20. All right, so that's 20 miles an hour. Now I'm going to shift it into four-wheel drive. Take my foot off the accelerator. Four-wheel drive. Fourth gear, four-wheel drive. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Let's shift it to third gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. Miles an hour. Oh, I got the internal speedometer working. Look at that. Onboard charger, just a reminder. This is the tech box here. This is the front battery box that has 3 modules in it. This is the intermediate battery box that has 1 module. These are the high power cable interconnects here. These are BMS connections here. I started the beginning of the plumbing. It's already running. It's hard to tell because you can't hear it, but if you open up this, shooting water in. Right now it's only cooling the inverter. So the inverter is inside the tech box in here. Here's what the inside of that tech box looks like. Try not to get run over by my own vehicle here. The BMS is in front, and the other side is the switched and hot all the time fuses, and then below it are the low voltage junction box and the actual inverter. This is the new DC 12 volt master. I'm going to relocate this, but that's the high voltage master back here. I got to make it a little bit more accessible. That is a 4-wheel drive Jeep running. And I'm going to show you a cool thing. If you look down there, that is the input shaft being turning the motor, turning the input shaft of the transmission. I put the tape on there to give you some reference of the spin. And there's your speedometer cable. I bought a new one from, I guess, Morris or Crown. Isn't that cool? Stock pedal attached to, stock throttle attached to a electric throttle control. Here's your built-in speedometer. I'll start slowing it down so you can see it works. And it matches the electric speedometer on top. And it goes. It's a lot of torque on an unbound motor, so I'm not going to give it too much push. But it goes easy. It goes fast. So I'm going to go out of 4-wheel drive. Okay. I'm in 2-wheel high. And it scoots. It's almost an instant 25 miles an hour, and I'm not even doing anything. Anyway, works really, 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 really well. Oh, and this is the back battery box. I think you guys already remember that. The charge port for it's going to be right here inside the fuel thing, right here somewhere. Beep, beep. And I know I'm scaring the hell out of everybody with a giant tire that's spinning. Pretty stupid, I know. Oh well. All right, we should probably turn it off. So I'm just going to take off the throttle. And that's it. Pretty cool. All right, time to take apart the entire front of it so I can get to the motor. I got to build some motor mounts for it. I'm going to use these, I think, on either side. And that way I can have it mount directly to the existing Jeep rail motor mounts. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Sorry again for the delay in getting out an update. Bye.